Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today's lesson is about short forms. Some of the short forms that are the same. In the previous video we talked about short forms and we said things like I am could be said or written this way, I'm. Okay, so when I have I'm, I know that this is the short form of I am. But there are some short forms that are exactly the same. Okay, like this one, she's. You can see that she's. Is that she is or is that she has? Can be both. It can be both of them. So the short form of she is she's, and the short form of she has is she's. Did I say the same thing? She's, she has. Both have the same short form, and that is she's. Okay? So when I see she's in the beginning of a sentence, let's say, what is that then? Which one is the sentence about? Is that about is, the she's being, her being, or she's means having? Which one is that? Well, we have to look at the next word, the word that comes after she's. Okay, so we have different is, we use the is for different time, the different reasons, and also has for different reasons. I'm going to talk about this. So one of the places that we use is when we talk about one's age, gender, job, marital status, religion, origin, and the place that the person is. Okay, so for these things we use is. For example, I say she's 50. She's 50. 50 is talking about age, so that is she is, not she has. She is. So she's Portuguese, then that is definitely she is, okay, not she has. So she's Portuguese. Portuguese is the nationality, so that is then the short form of she is. So if you see a nationality, a religion, an age, or something like the ones that you can see over here, then that is she is, not she has. She's is, she is. Alright, so that's one of those she is. Alright, now another is that we've got is when we have present progressive or present continuous. For example, I say she is going, she is crying, she is having a party, she is staying, she is dying, whatever. I have she is and I make it short and say she's and then the verb plus ing. She's going, she's going. You can see going, ing with the verb, then that is definitely that short form is definitely she is, not she has. Okay, so another area, when I see a verb with ing, then the short form is the subject plus the plus is. Okay, so she is or he is, then I have his or she's. Okay, not has. That's another thing. Another area that we use is when is the relative pronoun, and after that I have an adjective or an adverb, mainly an adjective. Like what? Like she's happy, she's happy, she's tired, she's sad, she's young, she's old, whatever. When I have she's and then an adjective, that she's is she is, not she has. Okay, so she's plus an adjective is she is adjective. Okay, she's plus a verb plus ing, that is she is. These are all is, not has. Okay, then has. I know two hases. One is when we talk about owning something, when we have something, when we are the owner of something. For example, she has a brother. In these cases, when we are talking about ownership, we do not shorten this. We do not make has short. Okay, so I say she has a brother. I would not say she's a brother. she's no, no, or she's a sister. No, she has a sister. So that is not then what we're looking for. Has is always has. I mean, when we're talking about having, owning, has is the main verb. In that case, we do not make it short, and that is a totally separate, different story. So now we have has that gets shortened and gets added to she, and we have she's. That is when we have has in the formation of present perfect. Okay? Then we see she's. But what comes after she's is the third form of the verb. She's been to Japan. She's helped lots of people. She's she's been sleeping all day. Been, gone, traveled, helped, seen, and these kind of things. These are the third form of the verb. So if you see these kind of things after she's, then that she's is the short form of she has. Okay? So she's, if I see ing, that is she's. If I see an adjective after that, that is she's. If I see a third form of the verb, that is she has. Okay, this was what I had on my list for you. I hope this is helpful, and whenever you come across she's, you know what to do now. If you forget it, don't worry, this video is here, it is for you. You can come back and check it whenever you feel that you need it. And if you like the video, just share it and let other friends of yours know that there is such a video. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.